Who doesn't love the idea of financial freedom? Imagine this: never having to work a regular 9-to-5 job to earn a paycheck and provide for yourself and your family. Instead, you'll be spending your days focusing on what you really love to do. Contrary to what many may think, this mindset isn't reserved for older people entering their golden years. Age doesn't define financial freedom. Your savings and income do, and the road to financial freedom can be achieved regardless of your age. In this video, we are going to talk about the steps to become financially free and live a good life. Before we begin, kindly give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel so you won't miss out on more awesome content like this. Let's get started. Number 1. Start with a plan. Everyone sees financial freedom differently, just like how our faces are all different. While some may aspire to the extravagance of owning the latest Gulfstream jet and a private island, others find contentment in a comfortable, debt-free lifestyle. To create the life you want, it's important to clearly figure out what financial freedom means for you. Get into the details by writing down the amount of money you want, the kind of life you desire, and when you plan to achieve these goals. Take a good look at your money situation, being realistic and honest about where you stand financially. This evaluation serves as the foundation for establishing a long-term goals and identifying the necessary steps to bridge the gap between your present situation and your ultimate goal. Finally, break down your aspirations into smaller goals and set milestones at regular intervals. This strategic approach will facilitate steady progress toward realizing your desired financial outcome. Number 2. Invest in yourself. To become a person of value, prioritize your personal and professional growth, as it stands as one of the most lucrative investments you can undertake. This investment yields compounded returns over time, enhancing your current worth. Commit to daily self-improvement by getting rid of habits that don't match your goals and adopting more constructive ones. Allocate resources to courses and training to augment your skills and knowledge, positioning yourself for potential salary negotiations in employment or fee adjustments if you're self-employed. Include your health in your efforts to get better. Adopt a nutritious diet, ensure optimal sleep, and engage in regular exercise. Maintaining good health is very important, as wealth is unattainable without it. Investing in yourself not only enhances productivity, income, and overall quality of life, but also influences how you engage with the world and shapes your self-perception. Number 3. Stop exchanging time for money. Working the regular 50 hours a week may not be the quickest way to make a lot of money. While it's possible to accumulate wealth through a 9-to-5 job, a majority of financially successful individuals avoid exchanging their time directly for money. Devoting extensive hours to work, sacrificing weekends, and hoping for a raise from the boss might result in delayed financial gains. This traditional approach ties your income to time, a limited resource as everyone has only 24 hours in a day, and a significant portion is already allocated to various essential activities. Consequently, you're left with a mere fraction of time to trade for income. The key lies in a mindset shift, transitioning from trading time for money to trading value for money. Identify the skills, knowledge, or talents you possess that others value. Once this shift occurs, a world of endless opportunities unfolds. Discover what you excel at, create value for others, and boldly promote yourself. Capitalize on your unique skills by offering freelance services, giving you control over your earnings, and allowing you to choose your clients. Alternatively, position yourself as an authority in your niche and develop and sell products, such as ebooks, blogs, training courses, or consultancy services. What makes this approach even more enticing is the ability to automate many processes, freeing up time for leisure while income continues to flow in. Without being tied to constant selling efforts, you can explore other avenues of passive income, accelerating your wealth accumulation. Number 4. Leave below your means. While it may sound like a well-worn piece of advice, living below your means is the key part that ties together every facet of your personal finances. Without it, achieving financial freedom becomes an unattainable goal, similar to trying to drive a car with its wheels missing. Unfortunately, many individuals struggle with this fundamental aspect, often burdened by credit card debts. Recognizing the significance of this practice is crucial because freeing up cash is essential for wealth creation. Mastering this age-old skill can be one of the most challenging steps you'll encounter. It requires making substantial changes in your lifestyle, giving up the habit of spending too much, which you might be used to. At the core of this challenge lies the human inclination for instant gratification. The solution lies in adopting a long-term perspective, willingly sacrificing unnecessary expenses for a more secure financial future. Develop comfort with delayed gratification and learn to sidestep triggers that prompt impulsive spending. Get rid of unnecessary costs from your budget, and over time, you'll see positive results. You'll find yourself with an emergency fund, increased savings, reduced or eliminated debt, and sufficient resources to invest in building your wealth. Number 5. Master the art of money management. Effectively managing your finances entails meticulously tracking every cent flowing in and out of your accounts. Establish a comprehensive budget to monitor expenses, ensure timely bill payments, and meet your saving goals. This strategic approach not only stops you from spending impulsively, but also keeps unexpected costs from messing up your budget. However, a budget is only as useful as your commitment to adhering to it diligently. To better understand your money situation and stick to your budget, keep an eye on every expense. You can use easy apps to do this automatically. Analyzing your monthly expense report might reveal surprising insights, showing areas where you spend more than anticipated, and pointing out unnecessary costs that should be cut. Making your money matters simpler really helps you manage your money better. Consolidate your accounts, bills, credit cards, and debts to create a more streamlined and accessible overview. Reducing the number of scattered accounts to a checking and a savings account with one or two banks minimizes paperwork, facilitates fee negotiation, and provides a unified online banking platform. Moreover, consolidating loans simplifies repayment tracking, mitigating the risk of incurring late fees. After you've made your money matters simpler, use technology to make managing your money even easier. Numerous apps are available to automate savings, investments, bill payments, and more. Automation not only saves time, but also allows you to focus on higher return on investment activities, such as in-depth financial analysis. With technology handling routine tasks, you don't have to worry about forgetting to pay bills. Number 6. Prioritize saving and investing. Cultivate the habit of saving money, regardless of your current financial situation. Many individuals make the error of convincing themselves that they will start saving when their income sees an increase, yet that moment often fails to materialize. When unexpected problems come up, as they always do, these people find it hard and come up short. If incorporating savings into your budget proves challenging, explore avenues to boost your income, cut expenses, or ideally, both. Saving money is a non-negotiable foundational practice. After you've saved enough money to cover 6 months or more of living expenses, think about starting to invest. Accelerating financial freedom becomes a reality when you set your money to work for you. Even though there might be better times to invest, guessing what the market will do is always uncertain. Therefore, it's advisable to consistently invest regardless of market conditions. Minimize risk by employing dollar-cost averaging when entering the stock market and diversify your investments across various assets, including stocks, fixed income instruments, and real estate. This diversified approach safeguards your portfolio, preventing substantial losses in the event of unexpected setbacks, commonly referred to as black swan events. And number 7. Avoid debt, unless it makes you more money. You can't become financially free when you still owe banks or other people. Plan towards getting out of debt as quickly as possible. Start by changing the habits that got you into debt in the first place. Pay off credit cards and similar high-interest consumer loans first, then gradually work down mortgages and student loans, which typically have lower interests. And once you eliminate debt in a category, never come back. You won't become debt-free overnight, but the earlier you start attacking them, the faster you approach financial independence. That concludes today's video. I hope it was informative and beneficial to you. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I welcome your feedback, so feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Lastly, Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.